Good morning, folks. This is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today we're going to do a finger painting of an abstract. I have some black paint here, and I want to get it on my watercolor paper. I want that to be the background, and I want to cover all the paper. Now, I do use my bare hands when I paint. You don't have to. You can wear gloves or surgical gloves, rubber gloves. But, you know, the paint does wash off with a brush and water and a little bit of soap. Washes right off. And, yeah. And in between colors, I can just use a paper towel to wipe my fingers off and that sort of thing. Now, I'm going to let this dry for a few minutes, and we'll come back. The paint is, it's a little bit wet here. I think it's going to be okay though. So these are my colors I'm going to be using right now. I've got black, white, bright aqua green, light blue. I think this is just like a regular blue, dark blue. This is Artist Loft Paint. Let's see what the name is on that. Brilliant blue. And then red. And I'm going to start with a bit of this. I'm using pretty much 3 fingers here to put the paint on. Now, if a lot of people say, if I did that, I would make a muddy mess. You know, people, beginners and that sort of thing. Let me tell you, if you use this type of palette here, it's probably not going to get muddy, and the reason why is the colors work well together. So, yeah, I wouldn't worry about that so much. Now, in between colors, I might wipe my hands a little bit, get some of the paint off. Pick up a little blue. And blend it in there a little bit. This is just abstract painting. It's some people call it intuitive painting. I don't really know, but I enjoy doing it. I like seeing pretty colors and that sort of thing. Together and blending and that sort of thing. You know, feel free to do this, to copy this. Doesn't bother me. I mean, I don't think you're going to do the same thing. You'll come up with your own little ideas. But, you know, if you have to do something like this, that's fine. I don't mind. Okay, it'll come over here. You know, I like the paint to be a little bit wet. You know, the base, the black, all of it, wet paint. You know, it's all wet, and I like that because I like the way the colors blend together when I paint with them. I like that. I kind of get the feeling like it's two planets. You know, this is a planet and this is a planet, and they're sort of meeting in space, kind of. Now, a couple hacks, you know, that you can do when you're painting with the fingers is I have a cup of water here off to the side, and I do dip into it fairly frequently to keep my fingers wet, and they glide over the paper a lot better. You also can use acrylic paint. Retarder gel is also very effective. I just can't find mine, actually, where it is. Now I'm going to let this dry a little bit, and I'll come back. Okay, the paint it's a little bit tacky. It's still a little bit wet. It's okay. I do a lot of wet on wet painting, so I'm going to go ahead. Sometimes it's good to wait, but I'm really kind of an impatient person. I want to show you this paint. This is Naples Red Light. It's a very bright red paint, and that's a paint I want to use. This is made by Golden. This is a little bit expensive. I think this was like $10 maybe. But brilliant red, a nice brilliant red is very desirable sometimes. So let me get a little bit of that with my fingers, and you can see how that just it just really brightens everything up a lot. I think actually you want to get a little bit more of that. It's easy to get carried away and overwork it, You have to be kind of careful about that. But I think that's kind of nice. And kind of nice to get a little bit of blue in there too. I don't mind that. I like it. But you can see, if you using these colors, it'd be really difficult to make a muddy mess unless you really went out of your way to do it. I love that bright red there. I don't want to lose that. Same time, I want to be somewhat consistent. Some people wouldn't say that's abstract if it was, though, but it depends on how you look at it. Come in with a bit of white. I'm just gonna kind of blend it in a little bit. And then, you know, I think I'm gonna call it complete, you know, pretty much. Kind of a fun little painting. So, you know, this is, you know, an abstract, easy abstract tutorial, and I have a number of painting tutorials on my channel, but I also have a lot of clay sculpting tutorials, like mermaids and fairy houses and all kinds of crazy things, frogs, all kinds of animals, dogs, cats, lions, all kinds of things you can sculpt and learn how to make. And I teach how to, like, I want it to be obtainable. I want people to be able to obtain it, be able to do it, you know, and not have it so difficult that the art is unobtainable for them. I don't want that. I want people to be able to make it happen, you know. So, you know, I think that this type of teaching does that. So that's about it. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to get a notification when I upload. Send me a picture of what you make. There'll be contact information with a tool and supply list and some finger painting tips and hacks and that sort of thing. Along with some videos I would suggest, and please give the video a like and leave a comment with any questions and that sort of thing. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.